Alright, hold on, YouTube. Turn the light on. There we go. Apparently, the last video I was making didn't exactly, didn't want to show up for some reason. But, in other words, so I am in my Nissan Sentra, SCR Spec B, in the garage. Hasn't been driven for about 3 months or so, because of an issue, a fuel pump issue. And, I've been fucking with this thing, and my buddy comes over and helps me, and, well, he seemed to slide the ring off with just a screwdriver. And I didn't know if I needed to get the specialty tool, but now it's right here, you can move it. So, I'm getting ready to pull it out. Finally, got this motherfucker done. Maybe now I can actually drive it to work, you know. But I'm gonna have my buddy hold this. And then his phone rings. You hold it for me. Is that somebody in?
It was a notification.
Oh. Where the fuck are my gloves at? Are they out there?
Yeah.
God.
On top of the engine.
I gotta get them then. I don't want to touch this shit without any gloves on me.
Yeah, that's true. That's all you need is gasoline on it.
Let's see what we got. I'll pull this bitch out.
Be careful of metal on metal, because the fumes are strong. So I did not feel like dying today. I got some other stuff I need to achieve, and then I can die.
Oh yeah.
There's the fuel pump right there.
Yep.
Oh, they make everything plastic nowadays in cars.
There's also a little bit of fuel in this motherfucker too.
Mm-hmm. Smell that premium.
That's what's in this car.
Now we really have to be careful of metal on metal. Is it possible to take that thing off while in my opinion, I think so. Is it attachment? Yeah, there's fuel there.
Easy.
So what is it that you need to do?
I am not entirely sure on how to get that out, actually.
Oh, this part.
Well, got it out.
What's attached to it that you can't fully take it out?
Nothing. I just don't want to take it all the way out, for real.
Alright, so you need to put that out.
Because it'll come out. See?
Oh, okay.
It'll
What's that wire
out.
thing?
I don't,
that wire thing?
Probably to measure what's in the tank and everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can't bend that.
No.
Alright, right now, if I were you, get a piece of plastic or something, so you can take that out completely, and put it on top of something clean. So let me go find the plastic. Here. Or a rag or something. YouTube is watching it. Hold your phone real quick so I can get something.
Hold on, figuring out if I really want to.
So it looks like it's right now it looks like it's there's a holes there attached to it, so you need to take that out. It looks like there's 2 clamps, 1, 2, 3 wires attached to that.
I don't know how to take this apart though. So
YouTube,
I think I'm going to stop this video. Hold on. Don't do nothing. I'm going to take this video. Alright, guys. So, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stop this video right here because I need to figure out how to take that apart because I am not positive on how to do it. And I don't really want to fuck it up because that's the only one I got. And I don't feel like spending $130 on a new assembly. So, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave this for the moment. And I will upload another video as soon as I figure out how to take this apart. Alright, so if you haven't already, well, if it's something for the first time, please like, subscribe please. More content for this car coming soon. This winter coming through when we get our tax returns, gonna be doing some internal parts to that motor. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be looking at pushing about 300 wheelers out of this car. It's gonna be a fun car. So stay tuned, alright guys? Peace.